Right, we are ready to roll on out of here. Yeah, you got a decent amount of snow last night. Well, it cooled down enough for it to accumulate a little bit. It's a nice way to bring in December. The little snow. We're going to be getting on Interstate 75 heading south. It's going to be on the interstate for a little bit here. Wow, look at all the trees with the snow on it. That's pretty. Away we go. All right, we are at a total standstill here on Interstate 75 South. I should have not took the interstate. I saw on Google Maps there was a little backup, but I didn't realize it was a dead stop. And southbound there has been zero traffic, so they must have that shut down. So something's going on up there. So we get to sit and enjoy the beautiful scenery. Still some light snow falling. All right, we are rolling again. That was about a 10-minute delay there. Still don't really know what was going on, but we're moving now. But we're going to get off the interstate at the next exit. This is in Highway 25 West here in Corbin, Kentucky. We are heading over to Cumberland Falls. We're going to check out the waterfall. And this is just a beautiful drive. What a treat. The Winter Wonderland. Cumberland Falls. I think we picked a good day. Passed a sign that said congested area, but I don't think it's going to be very congested today. Cumberland River. All right, we're making our way down to the falls viewing area here. It's pretty neat. There it is. Wow, this is neat with all the snow. No one's been out here yet this morning. Not bad. Well, we were gonna walk the Moonbow Trail, but it looks like they've got it closed off. I don't know if that's just the time of year or because of the recent weather. All right, I think we found the Moonbow Trail. That other one we were on was not it. This is marked the Moonbow, part of the Sheltowee Trace Trail. So we're gonna go hike a little ways. No one's been down here yet this morning. I'm gonna make the first set of tracks. Well, this Moonbow Trail is just awesome. Everything just looks so pretty with a little bit of snow on it. Well, we heard some sort of motor running up at this building up above, and it looks like there's a big pipe here, so it must be some sort of pump house pumping water off the river. A big crack in that pipe. Sounds like there's water running through it though. Yeah, there's like a funny smell, huh?
Yeah.
It smells kind of like dirty laundry.
Or worse.
Or dirty butt. Well, that pipe is actually draining, not pumping water. So maybe I'll have to look into what that building is up there. There's definitely an odor, almost kind of like a sewage odor, so maybe it's some sort of treatment plant or something. But this water seems fairly clean, and the odor doesn't smell like it's coming from that. Or does it? Hard to tell. We're going to continue on Highway 90 west over the Cumberland River and then hit Highway 27 south. Wow, this is kind of a blind intersection. Wow, this is pretty country out here. Away we go. Oh, I am just loving this. I am enjoying myself so much here in Kentucky. I really do enjoy it out in the desert, but honestly, I will take this any day over just hanging out, staring at the same old dirt and rocks. It's got its own beauty, but I've done that so many years in a row. This is such a welcome change. It's awesome. Okay, we are making our way through the woods here. We found a little campground right on the Cumberland River. It is $5 a night. It is a Forest Service campground. Not much for free camping around here. There's just no forest access roads to explore, so This is probably just going to be an overnight. It's about 5 miles off the highway, so not too far off our route as we continue south. Our other option would be another parking lot in town, which we're trying to avoid, so we're winding our way through the hills here. It's just been beautiful out here. Just entered Big South Fork National Recreation Area. This is the portion that's on the Kentucky side. The majority of it lies in Tennessee. We are just finding our way down this canyon here and down to the river. Almost get away with just parking here. But we'll go up and check out the campground. This is so pretty down here. Alright, hitting the gravel road here. The Shelterwee Trace Trail runs through here as well. We've kind of been hanging near that trail, for the last few weeks. This is a primitive campground. We did a little research and it sounds like it's not the best for like van camping. There's just little places to park and then you walk down and pitch your tent, but we're gonna see if there's one suited for vans. Possibly won't be able to fit 2 vehicles in one spot. Looks like they do have toilets here. And I think that is it. Not much for turnaround space here. Not much at all. You want to go off the edge here. So, I guess we'll scope this out and see. It's pretty tight up in here. Alright, well, we settled on this campsite here. We are right above the Cumberland River, running right by there. Very peaceful down here. There is nobody else around. These campsites are nice. They are kind of set up for tent camping. Give you a nice little level pad for a place for a tent, table, fire ring, and then a bear box, a food storage box. There are apparently black bears in the area, but we're vanning it, so we got a pretty level spot in the parking area there. It is $5 a night, and you can have up to 2 vehicles. So there are some vault toilets that look pretty new. There's a little sign saying how the fees have covered them installing that. So it's always nice to have a toilet nearby. But it's still pretty chilly, but the drive down here was just beautiful. Totally worth it. We're just going to overnight and then get up early tomorrow morning. Head down into Tennessee to the rest of Big South Fork National Recreation Area. Do some hiking for probably a couple days. Some rainy weather is rolling in, so we'll just kind of play around that and see how it goes. Otherwise, we're just going to enjoy the peace down here.